Our hand-poured vegan. Really? Vegan? What's up, you guys? And welcome back to another Takeoff Twilly video. This is your girl, Miss Takeoff Twilly. Let's get to the business and smack that subscribe button as well as touch down that bell notification so you never miss another video from Miss Takeoff Twilly. Getting ready to run some last minute errands because this weekend I'm going to my first Nigerian wedding. I am so excited. If you have not seen a Nigerian wedding, you need to check it out. I'm gonna insert a clip right here. That's right, I'm so excited. One of my good girlfriends, Nika, she is meeting her Nigerian prince this weekend, and the following week is also Thanksgiving. I'm going to be traveling a lot, and I'm traveling as a former flight attendant, so now I have to go through regular TSA. I have to carry everything from 3 ounces and this and that, and I have not done that in like 2 years. So I thought, what better way than to bring you guys along and see how I'm going to pack and survive being a non-crew member, going through regular TSA and doing all that fun stuff. All right, let's get into it in 3, 2, 1. Friend and her Nigerian prince. Hi. Don't mind the date because you know COVID or whatever. Love them dearly. So I'm definitely gonna bring you guys along for my first Nigerian wedding. I'm so excited. Outfits, and then I get to get my hair wrapped up. Like I'm so excited. But in order to get there, I gotta pack. And packing as a former flight attendant is going to be funny because I'm so used to being able to bring like whatever size products I want, like full size like shampoo and conditioner and soap and whatever else I want to bring. Now being a civilian, having to go by the 3 ounce rule, I thought what better way than to bring on my Takeoff family and do this lovely amazing video with me. Go ahead and spike that subscribe button as well as touch on that bell notification so you never miss another video from Miss Takeoff Twilly. Converting back to this lifestyle is like crazy to me. I always get requests on how to pack, travel hacks, travel tips, packing tips, all the good stuff, and I've always put off doing that video because I pack really specifically and crazy, but it works though. So I was like, well, why not? I'm going to bring y'all along with me. So we're actually about to run to Target, get some travel size items, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna pack, do all that other good fun stuff. If you want to see more content like this, hit the like button, subscribe to my amazing Takeoff family. It's right there, it's free, doesn't cost you anything, don't bombard you, I don't text you, don't email you, none of that stuff, but you do get a notification for whenever I upload, and you don't want to miss that. All right, so sit back, relax, buckle up, and go on this pack with me adventure. All right, see you guys in a bit. Like this. This is really cute. I really like this here. When packing for a short trip, I only pack in a carry-on size suitcase. I prefer colorful suitcases so no one else can claim we have the same bag. Alright, hey you guys, quick break in the video. It's proudly sponsored by Next Stop Candles. With travel restrictions still in place, why not get away with Next Stop Candles? The new luxury candles are using feelings and memories of iconic global destinations to transfer your home into a luxury vacay. It's a luxury candle company, and it lasts longer than many store-bought candles. Instead of getting 30 to 40 hours of burn time, you get 60 to 80 hours of burn time, and on a wood wick. Yes, it is the new rave, amazing and everything else. But what touches my heart about this company is that it was designed to help all of those affected from coronavirus who are in the travel, aviation, and tourism industry. As you know, me and my fellow flight attendant friends and aviation friends and even tourism friends were all affected by that horrible, nasty tramp named coronavirus. If you shop with Next Stop Candles, it gives a percentage many people like myself to help us during these unprecedented times. Once lit, let the imagination take over. You can only find these candles at nextstopcandles.com. Use Takeoff Twilly to save 10% off your order. like a first aid kit. So I have band-aids, a hand wipe, and I packed some emergency, and I have like liquid gel caps that'll probably go in my bag as well. I'll put some toothpicks in there, and then my Neosporin. I got my toiletry bag from some packing cubes I ordered off of Amazon. I like to carry everything in my toiletry bag just in case something happens. The flight attendant always taught me how to be prepared, so I always pack some Tide laundry just in case I mess up my clothes, and if you pack back with clean clothes, it makes your suitcase fit just how it did. I always pack my own towels, even if I'm staying in hotels. Just the comfort of having my own towel makes it better. I pack my shoes in a separate location just to make sure they don't mess with my clothes. Pack my wedding bag, some shout wipes, and some flushable wipes, and a bag to put all my dirty clothes in from when I'm back traveling. Next, I always pack my leggings first. I use the roll-up method to make more space. Then I put in my t-shirts. I have a long sleeve t-shirt just in case it's cold, and then I have my chill t-shirt just in case I want to lounge around the hotel, and my shirt I'm wearing on my way back home. Next, I like to pack my pajamas and my underwears and my bra in the top of the suitcase because that's the first thing you grab whenever you get to your hotel and want to take a nap. I make sure I have enough space for everything. And then lastly, I pack an outfit just in case we go out to dinner or to a bar or something like that. Once everything is rolled up nice and neat in my suitcase, I then take the two straps and tie them together just to ensure that none of my clothes shift or shake while traveling or if I have to check my bag. Next, I roll up my suitcase, and I always do the extenders open first just in case I need the room, but when I realize I didn't, I close them up. My favorite suitcase to use is Jessica Simpson. Hard shell suitcases are the best ones to carry because in baggage they like to throw your bags around. I added my little excess baggage handle to make sure my bag was easy to carry. I truly enjoyed attending my first Nigerian wedding. Don't forget to check out Next Stop Candles, and I'm wishing you and your family a happy and wonderful Thanksgiving. See you in my next video. This video is proudly sponsored, and we got planes flying over. It's been fantastic.